Hey everybody, it's Trevor Selescu, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. And today I am changing up the game of my store for the Age of Sigmar players. I was so excited about it I forgot to put on my trademark hat. I actually left it in the car today. My wife's got it up in Okotoks at Wendy's. So if you're traveling to Wendy's today, hey, can you grab my hat for me? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, wait. So I'm changing up the game here. As you all know, I have these two gaming tables here, and we haven't used them in a very, very long time because, well, my Age of Sigmar group grew, and we've been taking apart the slot car track tables every Thursday so that we can accommodate the Games Workshop players. And this is not too good for the slot car track because I would like to keep it up for an entire week so that people can play slot cars when they come in here, and that's always being taken apart and shuffled around. So what I've done is I've reworked the store, and if you can see in the back here, those big metal Games Workshop shelves that were along the Games Workshop wall over here, I've moved them and I'm creating my own little wall, and I'm going to put storage behind there so I can get a lot of this stuff up and off these old gaming tables because they got cluttered by mistake. So that's going away, and our table's coming back, our original table. But we're going to change it because I've got those big gaming tiles that I got from Games Workshop, and they've been stored away. So I'm redesigning the old, let's see now, move my arm back there. The old 4x6 is going to get reworked, and the 5x5 is going to get taken apart and, I don't know, used for something else. So that'll give us a brand new table, and I'm going to lock in those tiles so we got the volcano type layout that I bought from Games Workshop. I really want to use that, and I want you guys to enjoy it, and I'm going to make a really special table for that purpose. So that is my updates on this Labor Day weekend. I will labor away for a better Monster Hobbies for everybody. And until next time, thanks for watching this.